Hey guys, what's up? Today we're going to review the GK61 Optical mechanical keyboard that was released on March of 2019. The box contains the keyboard and the GK61 is a keyboard with a 60% standard ANSI layout. It has a plastic case with a metal steel plate, so it's pretty sturdy for its size. It does not have a flip-up feet and has a fixed angle of a number I will show you on the screen. The keyboard is powered by a Type-C cable, and at the bottom, 4 wide rubber feet to avoid it from sliding the table. The case has a rough surface with smooth glossy surfaces on some areas. The keycaps are double-shot ABS keycaps, meaning the cap and the legends are two separate plastics and the legends won't fade away. The caps are removable with the included keycap puller, but I suggest using a wire keycap puller as the plastic keycap puller damages the caps itself.
Why are we still here? Just to suffer?
And since it's built with ABS material, it shines faster compared to PBT keycaps. The Legends is pretty standard and lets the RGB backlighting shine through. With a standard ANSI layout, it's pretty much easy to find compatible keycaps. Since it's a 60% layout, some keys are usable through different layers and is accessible using the FN key. There are many different lighting effects that are also accessible with the FN key, like the way the audio effect works is by using a microphone that's under the spacebar and is not usable as a proper mic. You can access more lighting effects, customize keys, record, and use macros by using the downloadable app. The GK61 is special because of its switches. These are the Gateron optical key switches which has no metal contacts, unlike the traditional key switches that needs metal contacts to work. To see how it works, you can use the included switch puller, which I also don't recommend as it is harder to pull the switch and it hurts my hand. I use a IC puller as it is far more easier. Not included. The optical switch works By pushing the stem, it passes through the bottom, which blocks a sensor on the PCB, and that's pretty much it. But the more standard key switches does not fit, only optical switches will fit the PCB. Optical switches are very rare compared to the traditional key switches, which are hard to find. These are the blue optical switches, which is comparable to the traditional gate-around switch, and based on sounds that I found on YouTube, it's pretty much similar. Now, the GK61 has two versions, a regular hot swappable version, which accepts the more common key switches, and this one, a gate-around optical hot swappable version. And comparing the two, there are no differences. Almost. They say that optical switches will last more as it's just some stems going up and down, but other than that, none. Similar feel, and no noticeable advantages. So it's good. But I recommend the other version.